Let's talk about the metaverse. It's a term that's been buzzing around, but what does it really mean? What possibilities does it hold for the future of how we interact, create, and even own things online? At its core, the metaverse is envisioned as a persistent, shared 3D virtual space where you can do almost anything. Imagine a digital world that exists alongside our physical one, a place where the boundaries of reality blur. Instead of passively browsing websites, you're actively walking through digital worlds, exploring environments that can be both familiar and fantastical. Interacting with other people from all corners of the globe, owning things, digital assets that have real value and meaning within these spaces, and building communities around shared interests, passions, and goals. This is where cryptocurrencies, especially community tokens, come in. They are the economic engine that powers this new reality. They're the native currency and social glue of these digital frontiers, facilitating transactions and fostering a sense of belonging. Community tokens are like loyalty points for your favorite coffee shop, but taken to a whole new level. They come with real-world value and the power to shape the project's future, giving you a voice in the direction of the community. They let you buy digital land, creating your own virtual space, vote on features, influencing the development of the platform, or tip creators, supporting the artists and innovators who are building the metaverse. Ultimately fueling these digital economies and creating new opportunities for everyone involved. Unlike traditional platforms where companies own everything and control the flow of information, blockchain and tokens give you true ownership of your digital assets, putting the power back in the hands of the users. Now, two contenders are vying for attention in this exciting new space, XYZverse, taking the approach of building a metaverse from scratch, carefully crafting every detail, and Pi Network, focusing on amassing a huge user base first, building a strong foundation of community. Which approach will ultimately win over the millions stepping into the metaverse for the first time, eager to explore this brave new world? Only time will tell. XYZverse is all about building a social metaverse from day one. The XYZ token is the key to everything. Customizing avatars, buying land, and accessing exclusive events. It's built on a solid blockchain foundation, likely Ethereum, ensuring secure, permanent ownership of digital assets. The world is developed with high-quality graphics and aims for a smooth, immersive experience on PC or VR. Onboarding is simple. Create an avatar, get a tutorial, and start with some XYZ tokens to explore and interact. The focus is on social experiences, meeting people, playing games, and joining events. You can join public events or build private spaces for friends, with voice and text chat making interactions natural. User-generated content drives the platform. Games, art, and social hubs, all powered by the XYZ token. The world evolves with its users, not just its developers. It's a metaverse shaped by its community. Pi Network takes a fundamentally different approach to cryptocurrency. It's not about complex algorithms or expensive hardware. Instead, Pi Network is designed with the everyday user in mind, aiming to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise or financial resources. It focuses on accessibility and building a massive user base. The core idea is to create a digital currency that can be mined and used directly from a smartphone, opening up the world of crypto to a much wider audience. This approach prioritizes user-friendliness and ease of access, making it a compelling option for those new to the crypto space. You mine Pi coins directly from your smartphone, without needing any specialized equipment or consuming excessive battery power. Mining is as simple as tapping a button daily. This simple action signals to the network that you are a contributing member and rewards you with Pi coins. There's no cost to join and no technical barriers to entry. The app is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, even for those who have never interacted with cryptocurrency before. This ease of use has attracted tens of millions of users worldwide, creating a vast and diverse community of Pi enthusiasts. These millions are all hoping their Pi coins will gain value when the network fully launches and transitions to a fully decentralized blockchain. The potential for future value is a key motivator for many early adopters. Pi aims to be a widely distributed, easy-to-use cryptocurrency, accessible to anyone with a smartphone and an internet connection. The project prioritizes inclusion over complexity, making it a welcoming space for individuals from all backgrounds and levels of technical expertise. The metaverse, with its immersive digital experiences, is just one possible future use case for Pi, but first, the primary goal is to build a global peer-to-peer economy, where Pi can be used for everyday transactions between individuals and businesses. Pi uses the Stellar Consensus Protocol, a system known for its speed and efficiency. This choice makes it energy efficient and accessible, aligning with the project's commitment to sustainability and low barriers to entry. However, it's important to note that the network is currently more centralized than many other cryptocurrencies. This represents a deliberate trade-off. The project has prioritized less decentralization in the initial phases to facilitate massive adoption and rapid growth. The plan is to gradually decentralize the network as it matures. For beginners, getting started with Pi is incredibly simple. It's as easy as downloading the app from your app store, signing up with your phone number or Facebook account, and tapping a button to start mining. There are no complicated wallets to manage, and no financial risk involved in the mining process. The built-in chat feature connects you with your security circle, a group of trusted individuals who vouch for your authenticity on the network. This innovative approach ties coin accumulation directly to your social connections, rewarding users for building and maintaining a trustworthy network. From day one, Pi offers a unique social crypto experience, fostering a sense of community and collaboration among its users. Technologically, XYZverse and Pi Network are opposites. XYZverse uses a proven decentralized blockchain compatible with NFTs and true on-chain ownership, the downside transaction fees and a steeper learning curve for users. Pi Network built its own system for accessibility, using Stellar Consensus and a mobile-first model. No technical or financial barriers, but it's currently in an enclosed mainnet phase, no external trading yet. XYZverse requires users to set up wallets and manage private keys, offering full Web3 control. Pi hides complexity, just tap to earn, but you don't truly control your coins yet. It's the difference between driving a manual car at XYZverse and riding in a self-driving one. Pi. Simplicity versus control. Pi is easy. XYZverse is empowering. Both have trade-offs, but each is clear about its priorities. The choice depends on what matters more to you, ease or ownership. For new users, XYZverse is designed to be immediately immersive. From the moment you enter, you're meant to feel like you're stepping into another world, a digital frontier brimming with possibilities. The goal is to create an experience that captivates and engages you right away. But, and this is a significant but, it requires a crypto wallet setup. This is a necessary step to fully participate in the XYZverse economy. Setting up a crypto wallet can be intimidating for some, especially those new to the world of cryptocurrencies. It involves understanding concepts like private keys and blockchain technology. However, the rewards for overcoming this initial hurdle are substantial. Once inside XYZverse, you get to customize your avatar, giving you a unique identity within the virtual world. This is where you can express your creativity and create a digital representation of yourself. You can then explore the vast landscapes, participate in events, and use tokens right away to purchase items, access exclusive areas, or engage in various activities. This immediate utility of tokens provides tangible value, making the experience more engaging and rewarding from the start. You see the direct impact of your participation in the XYZverse economy. The learning curve in XYZverse is primarily about navigating a 3D world, understanding its rules, and discovering its hidden gems. It also involves understanding social norms, learning how to interact with other users, and building relationships within the community. It's a hands-on experience, where you learn by doing, with instant feedback and continuous engagement. Every action you take has a consequence, and you quickly learn what works and what doesn't. Pi Network, by contrast, offers a completely different approach. It prioritizes simplicity and ease of use, making it frictionless for newcomers. To get started, all you need to do is download the app, enter an invite code, which helps grow the network organically, and start earning Pi coins in minutes. The process is designed to be as straightforward and intuitive as possible. There are no wallets to set up, no money to invest, and no risk involved. It's a completely free and accessible way to get involved in the world of cryptocurrency. All it takes is just a daily tap on your phone to accumulate coins. This simple action reinforces your commitment to the network and contributes to its growth. The engagement with Pi Network is built on habit and the future promise of the network's potential value. It's about building a long-term vision together. It's not about immediate immersion in a virtual world, but rather about gradual participation in a growing digital economy. Social features in Pi Network primarily come from inviting friends to join the network, expanding the community, and increasing its overall value. You can also connect with other users and engage in conversations by chatting within the app, fostering a sense of community and shared purpose. Pi feels more like a social savings account, where you're collectively building a future financial resource with others. It's less about exploring a virtual world and more about participating in a digital economy. The realization of value is delayed, requiring patience and belief in the project's long-term potential. The value proposition is based on the hope that today's community will grow and evolve into tomorrow's thriving digital economy, where Pi coins will have real-world utility. In summary, XYZ-verse offers an instant and immersive metaverse experience, appealing to those seeking immediate gratification and virtual world exploration. Pi Network, on the other hand, offers effortless crypto accumulation, attracting those who prefer a simpler, more passive approach to digital currency. Each platform appeals to a different kind of beginner, catering to varying levels of technical expertise and risk tolerance. XYZ-verse's community is small but deeply engaged, early adopters passionate about building virtual worlds. They're active on Discord and Twitter, creating content, organizing events, and shaping the platform's culture. Their investment is creative and social, not just financial. This creates a strong, cohesive culture but can feel exclusive to outsiders. Pi Network's community is massive and diverse, tens of millions from around the globe, many new to crypto. Their motivation is accessibility and the hope of financial inclusion. Community chat rooms are organized by language, forming countless micro-communities. The strength is scale. If Pi's economy goes live, it has a ready-made user base. Engagement is more passive, daily taps and occasional chats. The challenge, turning this broad passive base into active participants. Each community has its strengths and its hurdles. XYZ-verse is designed for real-time, immersive social interaction. Features like spatial audio and expressive avatars make you feel present with others. Social events, mini-games, and spontaneous encounters drive connection. The XYZ token enables economic activity on top of these social experiences. Pi Network's social model is asynchronous, built around earning teams and security circles. The main interaction is through chat, more like WhatsApp than a virtual world. Social connections boost earning rates and secure the network. Pi's strength is its viral growth. Every user is incentivized to invite others. The social fabric is vast, waiting for richer applications. XYZ-verse offers deep synchronous connection. Pi offers broad, network-driven growth. Both connect people, but in fundamentally different ways. The future may see these models converge. For beginners, the best choice depends on your goals. Want to experience the metaverse right away? XYZ-verse immerses you instantly, teaching by doing. You see and use digital assets from the start, great for hands-on learners.